Hello, I'm Tyler Tully, and today I'm joined by Apollo Minerals Managing Director Neil Inwood. Neil, welcome. Thanks for joining me today.
Thanks, Tyler. Really nice to see you again.
So you've announced high-grade tungsten in the unmined parts of your Couflens project. What can you tell us today?
Tyler, look, these results, they're really exciting. We're seeing the results of a very detailed validation project that the company's undertaken. And we've released the results from about 90 historical drill holes. And we're seeing grades up to 5.3% tungsten. We're seeing some quite thick intervals, and we're seeing a very coherent ore zone forming in what was called the Veronique Zone. And Veronique, they were mining at 2.8% tungsten back in 1986 in the last 6 months of mining. 2.8% tungsten, that's like 60, 70 grams per tonne gold equivalent. It's a very high grade zone.
So what benefits might the project's location offer?
Well, Couflens is strategically located in the southern part of France. It's only 2 hours from the town of Toulouse, which is an industrial manufacturing hub in France. So we think location-wise, very good. We think in the European and the French context now, with the EU and France also seeking tungsten as a strategic and critical metal, this is an ideally situated project in Europe, and it's the perfect project for the current times that we're in.
And what are you seeing more broadly in the tungsten market right now?
So we're seeing a shrinking of the supply side. According to reports, China is tightening up on releasing tungsten, and as a result, for Western countries, Europe, America, Australia, the tungsten price is increasing. It's increasing quite dramatically. I'm hearing reports up to 2,800 US an MTU, and that's almost double since we first recommenced this project in February this year.
And what's the forward plan at Couflens, and what other news flow should investors be keeping their eyes out for?
We're focusing on the validation of the rest of the vast historical database. So we have like 950 drill holes we're combing through. We've released maybe 100 holes on today's announcement. So we're keen to get some more results released to the market. We're also talking and discussing with the government and local communities, so we're very keen to advance our site works. We're looking to finalise some key environmental reports, which will then allow us to keep pushing further ahead underground. And ideally, towards the end of this year, I'd like to be drilling underground, targeting this high-grade tungsten zone.
Well, it certainly sounds like exciting times ahead.
Oh, it definitely is.
Thanks for your time today, Neil.
Thanks, Tyler.